Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I love different foods, and this one is more of that Middle Eastern, Mediterranean style food. We've got the turmeric rice, we've got the ground lamb and sausage mixed together with all kinds of different spices, including allspice and mint and garlic and crushed red pepper, and there's several spices in there, which I'll link down below. To pair, sometimes it's really hard to pair wine or anything with the really great flavorful foods. So what you want to do is not so much tannic, either wine, if you're going to go for wine. You want something kind of on the softer side, but definitely have berries to match the food itself. This one I particularly went with a French wine. It's a Saint-Emilion wine, which is mostly Merlot, but it is a combination of Merlot, Cab Franc, and Cab Sauvignon. So for the wine, a lot of berry notes there. You do get a little bit of, I feel like herbaceousness from the cabs. Both cabs have it, but I think it'll pair nicely with this. So let's try the food. Lots of flavor. I love this dish. There's a lot going on with the turmeric rice, the meat, the cucumber, the tzatziki, garlic, the tomatoes, the red onion. You've got so much going on. So let's see if it matches. And I feel like it does. You get the pepper, the herbaceousness that come out, the dark berry fruits kind of just blend in there with all the other flavors going on in your mouth. Like I said, there's so much going on that actually this does pair really nicely. But if you're not a Merlot fan, you can do a Cab, a Malbec. You could do a nice Rioja from Spain. I would stick probably red because it's so much going on with it. So here's to another great pairing.